Well, I kind of made a hint in another video about something I was going to make, and it kind of involves this. It's got to do with this, and another bag I've got here of Velcro. So if you want to find out what it is, stick around. Oh damn, you already see the name on the video. Alright, stick around, I'll tell you how I did it. This is Surviving 2 coming to you with another video. Well, thanks for sticking around. Okay, I've talked about, or a lot of y'all have probably noticed, some of these freeze-dried foods on the back. Let's see if I get it in frame up here. It says serving container 2. So, I'm just one person. What do you do with it? You cook the whole thing and then just let it sit around? I didn't. I've gotten packets like this before, and I've taken them and stuck them in a freezer bag. Now, this is about a quart, so it almost is the same size of it. So I'll take about half of it out, put it in here, store it for later or whatever, make the meal in either one I want, whatever, and then go from there. Well, these aren't really insulated. These aren't insulated. I saw in a video a while back a nice little insulated deal that these can go in and keep your food a lot warmer. I thought, that's a cool idea. Brainstorm. And it hurt too. Okay, I've got this thermal bed pad, and it's real thin. But I took out a bunch of pieces, cut them, measured them across all this, cut them to length, and then took some air conditioning tape, the flexible tape. Bam! Made that right there. I can put my food in here, hot water, stuff it down in there, which it'll go down in there when it gets food in it a lot easier. Yada yada yada. Get it done like that. Then take the top, Velcroed shut. So it'll keep the food warm or warmer than just sitting out in the open. And that was pretty easy to make. So it's basically 3 pieces the same size. And what I did was I took the first section and put them together both inside and out. Then you take this section and add it to these two. Bam. Do that. Now then, what you got to do is that leaves this bottom open, so you can put it down and squish it like that and run tape off on the inside here to tape the inside and tape this other edge shut. And then I put some reinforcing up across here where it matched up. Took the Velcro pieces, folded it over, marked where it needed to go, even left it to where instead of folding all the way shut, it'll fold part way shut and the Velcro will still work. So that way, if I get an oversized container or something like that, or a bag got a lot in it, I should be able to stick it all down in there. And if nothing else, stuff this thing back down in there. If nothing else, I can leave the lip of it folded over like that, fold this over, still set it up, not worry about it, and let the stuff warm up or set and do what it needs to do. So yeah, I had a bunch of Velcro left over. See, number 5, I've got all my stuff inventoried, or most of it. I'm lacking some things, so I knew right where that was. I know where this was, and I knew where the tape was, so it became very easy to make this little puppy. Now, what I adhered the Velcro with These are old pieces and leftover, so some of them had glue still on them, some did not. So what I ended up using is an adhesive, and you can't probably see it right there. This is shoe goo. So I've got that one I'm using up, and I've got a brand new one ready to go in case I need it, along with all my other adhesives. And I just found my RTV silicone sealant, my high temp. I was wanting to use it on that beer bottle alcohol stove. So there it is. Now I remember where it's at. Bad thing about having enough stuff you need, you forget where in the heck everything's at. So anyway, I thought I'd share this with you. It's real easy to make, no time at all. Like I say, just cut these pieces out as you need them. I got to figure out what I can do the rest of this stuff now. I hadn't gotten any ideas from you guys out there, and I just came across this one and thought of it and said, hey, I can do that. So I did. So anyway, thought I'd share that. Should be easy for you guys to make. You can even take, instead of this stuff that I'm using, you can get the windshield insulators that go in your cars and cut them up and use one of them. So y'all have fun out there. See you on the next one. Later. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.